tika tika ta. Boys and girls, welcome back to music. Today you're going to start a brand new song. So every week we will do a tiny little step of your composition. Let's begin and see what do we have to do. Okay, get your drum sound ready. Or you can use your hands to clap. So I'm going to use my drum. You can use a coffee can or with a pencil or a jar. Be creative and have something ready to play. Or you can use your famous instruments called your hands for clapping. Okay, so before we write our song, I want you to review the notes so that you remember A, what they're called, what is the name, and B, how to play it and how to read it aloud, because eventually you're going to need to do both. So the first one is, please repeat after me. Ta. Your turn. Ta. 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 Lovely. Remember, if you don't have an instrument, you can just clap along. And next we have the 16th notes. Please listen and then repeat. T, T. One more time. T, T. T, T. T, T. Next sound is no sound. It is silent. So when you see a sh, make sure you do not play your instrument. So you're going to say sh for silence. Sh. And one more time. Sh. Good job. Our next slide are the 16th notes. These are super fast. 4 of these are equivalent to one quarter note, to one ta. Listen and then repeat. Tika, tika. Tika, tika. Tika, tika. One last time. Tika, tika. So these are the different notes you're going to use in your composition. So if you forgot what they are, just go back and re-listen to the video, or maybe even write them down on a piece of paper to make sure you have them down so you can write your own song. All right, boys and girls, sorry my video keeps jumping all over the screen, but I have to move it so that we can see the notes. So here, you're going to copy down this rhythm. So you're going to pause the video and you're going to copy down the notes. This is a part of your assignment. You see on the top it says 1 because this is part 1. Very important that you do that as well. All right, now you have written the notes down. Let's try playing it together. I'm going to play and then you will repeat. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Go ahead. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Brilliant. Now you must be wondering, Miss Anastasia, why are there small squares under the notes? Very good question. So after you practice clapping the rhythm, you're going to add pitches. You're going to add sounds to your notes. So you're going to use your iXylophone app or the piano, or you can use a real xylophone, whatever instrument you wish, and you're going to add notes underneath. Here is an example. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. So you can choose notes that you like, and that will be a part of your special song. Part number 2. Make sure you write number 2 on the top of this rhythm pattern. As I said, each week we'll add different sections, so we want to know where is each part. So I want you to listen, and then you're going to repeat. Ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta. Ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta. Listen one more time. Ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta. Ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta. So you hear how tika, tika are the fastest notes, and notice how tika, tika has 2 lines on the top, while ti only has 1 line on the top. Now pause this video and copy down the notes with the squares under every note. Same thing for this paper. You're going to use a pencil to write down in the notes that you like, that you have found on the iXylophone, on the piano, whatever instrument that you're using. So you're going to write it inside the boxes. Here is my example. Ti, ti, ta. Tika, tika, ta. Okay, now it's your turn to write some notes. Now, boys and girls, you do have homework and I want to see your work. I'm going to look at what notes you have come up with so that we know that we're on the right track for our special song for our composition. The reason I want you to use a pencil, number one, is so you can erase. Maybe you're going to keep playing the notes and say, you know what? I'm going to change that from F to E. And then you can simply erase. So as musicians, we always use a pencil. Number two, create a beautiful melody with the notes. Write the notes inside the little squares, inside the little boxes under the notes. Number three, share on Seesaw. You can share a photo or you can share a video of yourself playing. All right, boys and girls, make sure you do this very important assignment. Have fun, and next week we will continue and add a little bit more to our song. Okay? Now, bye-bye, and see you next week on our live session.